Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a long-range flashlight by Olight, the Javelot Turbo 2. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. So let's take a look. The flashlight comes in this nice hard case, and inside you'll see you get the holster, the flashlight, the user manual, remote, wrist strap for the remote, and a USB-C charging cable. Going over some specs, this comes in two color options, black and green. The body is made of aluminum. It has a beam distance of 1500 meters, max output of 2500 lumens. It has a neutral white light, 5200 to 6200 Kelvin, max runtime of 272 hours on the low setting, dual switch, removable battery, IP67 rating, 4 modes, low, medium, high, and turbo. Taking a look at the flashlight, you will notice that it has a slim battery tube and it's easy to handle and grip. It feels solid and well built. You have the branding right on the top, and right above that you have the side switch with the LED indicators for the battery levels. On the other side you have the attachments for the remote for pairing and charging. The charging port has a solid flap and it swings open so you can get access to the USB-C. Here is a look at the bulb and the lens reflector. Looking at the back, you have a tail switch along with the option to charge with a magnetic charging cable. To access a battery, just unscrew the tail cap and you will see that it uses a 5000 mAh 7.2 volt lithium ion battery. Taking some measurements, it comes in at about 10 inches in length, and it weighs in at roughly 427 grams. Briefly going over the controls, pressing the tail switch halfway will activate the low mode. A hard press will put it into turbo. Using the side switch, a single press for each of the levels, low, medium, high, and turbo. And here it is with the remote. A single press to turn it on and a single press to turn it off. It will turn it on in turbo mode. Now let's test out the Olight Javelot Turbo 2. This is on the low setting. This is on the medium. You can see how far it can reach, all the way down the soccer field. This is the high. And turbo. You see the reach all the way down at the soccer field there. This is on the turbo. Again, this is on the low setting, medium, high, and turbo. Okay, so that's a look at the Olight Javelot Turbo 2 long-range flashlight. Very impressive with the beam distance, and the light is super bright, and the build quality is solid, in line with many of the Olight products. So if you're looking for a long-range flashlight, check out the Javelot Turbo 2. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.